Hey, what's up everybody? Wes here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to be showing you guys an awesome handheld vacuum that I've been using for a little while now. It's the pet hair eraser made by Bissell. We have a couple of other handheld cleaners, but this is one that's got some different attachments that came with it that make it super easy to get pet hair off of couches and other uneven surfaces. And this will be a super quick video. I'm going to show you guys this thing in action. I'll kind of tell you my thoughts on it. And at the end, I'll let you know if I'm actually happy with this purchase or if I in fact have buyer's regret. So the first cool feature about this model is you can just hit the power button to turn it on. You don't have to hold it down while you're using it and then just hit it again to turn it off. On the suction end of the pet hair eraser, it has this unique one-way valve that'll open up once the unit's powered on, and then once you turn it off, it'll close down, keeping all the debris inside. Another cool feature about this vacuum is this power head here doesn't pull just based on the suction. It's actually powered separately from the battery, which is going to give it a lot more cleaning power than you would just on a standard model that's using and relying on suction alone. And we'll go ahead and speed this clip up just a little bit so we can finish up with this cushion and take a look at the final result. And that literally took me less than a minute, and you can see the difference here. Some of these small stains aren't going to get picked up by this, but it did pick up all of the pet hair and the debris as seen in this cushion here. So we'll just jump right over and give it a try, and it worked just as well on the second cushion. So now I'll move on and get the whole couch taken care of, and I'm hoping to do this all on one charge. I'm thinking that cleaning this whole couch was going to be like the biggest job that I would actually do with this handheld vacuum at any given time, so it should at least last that long, but I'm hoping that it lasts much longer. So far this tool powered through the couch and it looks awesome. The battery hasn't died yet, it's still going strong. I'm really happy with the results. And one of the main reasons I got this is for this guy right here. Most of you know this is Chewy. He gets a little bit of pet hair here and there, but that's okay. We wouldn't trade him for the world. But you can see here just how much dust and hair we got off the couch. Again, not so much hair because he's a short-haired dog, but I was surprised at the amount of dust and pet dander that came off the couch that you couldn't see. And even though the power head works great, I think that this tool here is probably my favorite in the bunch. This is a extension / crevice tool that can be used to get back into the corners and hard to reach places, like you see here on the steps and in between railings. And once I was done with that, I just popped it off and used it as a standard dust buster and just went ahead and cleaned all the stairs all the way up. And because these are unfinished steps, so it does trap hair and dust easily, you can see just how much I picked up off of here, even on this rough surface. Now, I normally store a handheld vacuum in the washer dryer room just for this reason in particular. Every time you pull out the lint filter to clean it off, you can use this crevice tool to get in there and help clean out any of the additional lint, or just use it to clean off the filter itself before putting it back into place. And then once you put it in place, you've got this other lint mess here. Just take the vacuum itself and just clean that up, power it down, and just leave it here for storage. And on this same battery charge, I took it outside to the truck, cleaned out the seats and the cup holders, and got it looking fresh. So super useful tool if you're looking for some car detailing. And once you're ready to clean it out, there's a release button here right in front of the power button. Just hold it down and the front end will pop off and you'll see the different filters. The main filter will just pull right out of the suction housing, so empty out anything that might be in there. And look at everything that we picked up so far this morning. So quite a bit of stuff. We still have plenty of battery. So we'll just kind of clean that off in the trash can. Normally you might want to try to do this outside. And just twist this part off here, and that's going to expose the main filter. We'll go ahead and knock that off as well. I may do a better clean later, but for right now this will do, just for demonstration purposes. So we'll pop it back together and just put everything back in the way you took it apart. So it couldn't be any easier to disassemble and clean. So after using this handheld vac for some time, I can safely say that I do not have buyer's remorse on this one. It's something that I would recommend you purchase if you're in the market. It's a really great looking vacuum. It feels nice. It's not too heavy, and it works really, really well. All the different attachments are super handy. It's got some different features that you're not going to see on other models out there in the market. But if you have any questions about this, definitely feel free to leave those in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. But in the meanwhile, I really appreciate you tuning in, and I'll hope to see you next time. All right, peace.